standard. I welcome you all for session 6. So today will be the last class for lesson 1. So this class we will see the remaining exercises. So almost we have finished the whole lesson. So one or two exercises left out. For example, exercise number 1, exercise number 10, 11. So 3 exercises we will be seeing. And we will see the recap of all the lessons, of all the exercises which we have seen in the last classes. For example, what all the grammar exercises we saw, adverb, article, Petit, those exercises we will see. And with this, we will wind up with lesson 1. So upcoming class will be lesson 2. So if you have time, please revise lesson 1 whenever possible, and please take down your solutions, that is a lesson exercise solutions, when and where I pause the video, and you can take down the answers. So if you have any doubt, I'll clarify it in the upcoming classes. So this whole revision is over. Now start writing your classwork. So by next weekend you have to complete your classwork, both the front part and the back part. Front will be choose true or false, question answer, translation and exercises, and the back 90 pages will be for grammar as you did last year. Okay, so have a nice day. Thank you. Hope you have enjoyed this lesson 1 session fully, and you have a complete audio visual aid that will help you to understand it in a better way. So it is a rapid revision. So just follow the class. Don't look at your book. Just follow the class. At the end of the class, you can take notes and you can just rewind and see if you want. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.
Leçon 1. La rentrée. C'est le premier jour de cours. Les élèves rentrent à l'école après les vacances. Anish et Manuel cherchent leur classe de français. Ils rencontrent Caroline et Nathalie. Anish. Salut les amis, ça va? Caroline. Oui, ça va. Et tes vacances? Anish. En Inde. Formidable. Manuel. Nathalie, où sont ton cartable et tes livres? Nathalie. Mais nous ne travaillons pas aujourd'hui. C'est le premier jour. Je vais à la papeterie ce soir. Caroline. Vous avez quel cours maintenant? Anish. Français. J'adore le cours de français. Et vous? Caroline. Maths. Je n'aime pas les maths. Manuel et Anish. Au revoir. À bientôt. Caroline et Nathalie. À bientôt. Les adverbes de quantité. Adverbs of quantity. Certain adverbs which express quantity are followed by de without the article. These adverbs are used to describe an uncertain quantity or something that cannot be counted. Beaucoup de, a lot, much, many. Il achète beaucoup de chocolat. Trop de, too much, too many. Il prend trop de sucre. Un peu de, a little, few. Je veux un peu de sucre. Assez de, enough. Elle a assez de crayons. Moins de, less, fewer. Elle boit moins de coca que ma sœur. Plus de, more. Il a plus de livres que mon frère. Tant de, so much. Il mange tant de biscuits. Combien de, how much, how many. Combien de disques veux-tu? École. L'école maternelle pour les élèves de 3 à 6 ans. Nursery school. L'école élémentaire pour les élèves de 6 à 11 ans. Primary school. Le collège pour les élèves de 11 à 15 ans. Junior high school. Le lycée pour les étudiants de 15 à 18 ans. High school. Rappels grammaticaux. Les articles. All these articles have been discussed in Apprenons le français 1 and 2. Let us recall. Les articles définis. Le, la, l, les. Les articles indéfinis, un, une, des. Les articles avec préposition à, au, à la, à l, au, article contracté. De, du, de la, de, des, du, des, article contracté. Les articles partitifs. Du, de la, de l, des. Les verbes. We have already discussed the three groups of verbs. The present tense of the indicative of regular verbs can be found by dropping the infinitive ending and adding the personal endings to the radical of the verb. ER verbs. E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. IR verbs. IS, IS, IT, I2S ONS, I2S EZ, I2S ENT. RE verbs. S, S, ONS, EZ, ENT. Note: irregular verbs are conjugated in different manner. Refer to below at the end of this book of the list of irregular and regular verbs. La négation. We know that a sentence is made negative by placing ne before the verb and pas after it. Id est ne plus verbe plus pas. Example: je ne parle pas espagnol. Note: the indefinite and partitive articles become de or de in the negative. This rule does not apply with être. Example: il y a un gâteau. Il n'y a pas de gâteau. Il achète de l'eau. Il n'achète pas d'eau. Mais c'est un gâteau. Ce n'est pas un gâteau.
Hope you enjoyed well this audio visual aid and you had a good revision. So this class we will see the left out exercise and we are going to end this lesson by today. Okay, so hope you can just follow as I go on with the book. Okay, so no need to see a book, just follow the PDF which I am showing you now. We'll finish this lesson and we will have a good revision. So as far as now we have finished translation and translation based exercise and all the exercise, and exercise number 1 I have left out, so I am going to finish that now. So this is regarder la table et répondez. So whatever the items which is present in the table, we are going to explain that or we are going to answer it. The first thing what we are going to do is I am going to tell you what is impersonal. Impersonal is nothing but observe the question. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a sur la table? So I'll just take the interrogative word. Qu'est-ce que? If you take the interrogative word, what is left out? Il y a sur la table. Okay. So we have to now tell what all the things present in the on the table. So just going with that, whatever is there, 2 apples I think, and some crayons, notebook, water jar, and those things. So now what is the things is we have to know the vocabulary of these things. So for poem, for apple we will say poem, right? For livre we will say, for book we will say livre. For notebook we will say cahier. Like that we have to so there is one in tasse, and so coupe, in creche, they create, this is chalk piece. Okay, these are the things present, so we have to tell that. So we have to start like this: il y a des pommes, des cahiers. Okay, you need not write now, I'll show you the solutions, just follow. Okay, une soucoupe, une tasse, des crayons, okay, des criches, Okay, these are the answers. So that we have to write. So the answers will start like this: Ilya, and following all these vocabularies, and we will end like sur la table. So the meaning of this Ilya is there is or there are. That's it. So the following 4 questions are very easy. Whenever you get eske as a question type, interrogative type, the answer will be yes or no. So first we have to check if the mentioned object is available there on the table. Or fromage. Fromage means what? Cheese. Check if the cheese is there on the table. No, it's not there. So what you will say? No. Take out this eske and you have to put no. Il n'y a pas. Why? Because this is negative, no? If it is positive, we will say oui, and we will say oui, il y a du fromage sur la table. This time, no, il n'y a, n apostrophe should come here. Il n'y a pas du fromage sur la table. Whenever you say negative, that du will become the. Il n'y a pas de fromage. So that is what the rule says here. See here. In case if it is D L apostrophe here, it becomes just D apostrophe. And in case if there is quantity here and if it is no quantity is here, it becomes DE. So when we do that in negation, that is the rule. So the third one is qu'est-ce qu'il y a du café? So coffee is available? Yes. So simple, very simple. Oui, il y a du café, and put a point, not a question mark. Oui, il y a du café, and put a point. Est-ce qu'il y a une pizza? Is there pizza there? No. So the same way we did as the second point. No, il n'y a pas de pizza. For example, see here. Il y a un gâteau. When there is no gâteau, the un doesn't repeat. Il n'y a pas de gâteau. The same way it has to be done. No, il n'y a pas de pizza. Est-ce qu'il y a des crayons? Yeah, are there some chalk pieces? Yes. Oui, il y a des crayons. So now I am going to show you the solutions. You can take your pencil and be ready. Okay, here is the solution. You can take it one by one. You take a pencil and start writing the first one. Here is the question is here and the answer is down. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a sur la table? Il y a des pommes, une tasse, une cruche, une soucoupe, des crayons et des crayons. So this is the first answer, and the following answers are here. No, il n'y a pas de fromage sur la table. See, the negation du fromage here has changed to the fromage because fromage is not available on the table. So when it is positive, you can go with du, but when it is negative, the du should become as the. That means there is nothing available. See, here it is positive. Same, in table also the coffee is available, so the same positive repeats. See here, a pizza. If it is negative, the pizza. And the last one, it is in plural form. Il y a des crayons. Oui, il y a des crayons. So hope you took this, and I'll give you some more time to write. Take it down. Hope the screen is visible for you. So I'll give you 30 more seconds to write it. Take your time. I'm waiting for you. Okay, I think we can proceed with the following exercise. In case if you have not written it properly, just pause the video, write it, and then continue the class. If you have left out something, just you can click the link again and you can rewind and you can see whatever the points you want to see. Okay, so I'll go for the next exercise. Exercise number 2 is just a very simple exercise that you can do it on your own. See, this you can do with the help of the alphabets. Here it is A. So for A, what we will tell in French? A. Here is A. So this exercise you can do on your own. For E in French, how will we say? So here it is. So like this you can try on your own. Definitely you will do this because you are learning this for last 2 years. Alphabets you know very well. So you can do this on your own when you're free. Okay. Exercise number 3 already we have seen. 4 we have seen. 5 adverb we have seen. So that's why I showed you all this audio visual aid as a revision. Okay. 6 also we have done. This one I gave you as a 9th one I gave you as a weekend assignment, and 8th I discussed on the video itself, and 7th I think we did last class, negation. This one we will do exercise number 10. Okay, hope the page is visible. This is a very nice exercise. The same way, please don't turn your book or turn your pages, just go ahead with my PDF so that you can concentrate only on one thing at a time. If you want, you can have a pencil and a paper by side. If I give any points alone, you take it down. Definitely I'll give you some time to write the solutions. So we'll continue. Complétez les textes avec les mots donnés. So there are few words which are given. We don't know what to do with this, but how to approach this I will tell you. So there is a paragraph and few words are there that has to be filled in this paragraph exactly to the position it has to be. Now what we have to do is, first we have to recognize, or we have to just sort out which should be noun or which should be adjective. Thus we have to see first. So first we'll see grand. Grand means big. Big is an adjective. Indien is a nationality, and when the spelling is double NE, that means female. She is a female, so it's a female. Landi is a language, so again noun. Pays means country, noun. Long is a language, noun. Quelque means what? Something, so it comes under quantity. Okay, now we'll sort out. L'Inde est un dash de, I'll read it first and then we'll sort it out. L'Inde est un dash de dash diversité. La culture dash est très riche. Il y a plus de 17 dash régionales. Dash est la langue la plus parlée. Dash grande religion hindouisme, bouddhisme, jainisme et sikhisme ont leur origine on Inde. Now let's guess what will be the answer. L'Inde est un dash de dash diversité. So first, land means what? It is a country, India. So l'Inde est un pays. L'Inde est un pays de dash diversité. So diversity already known as came. So something which qualifies this word or which makes a sense or adjective to this word is grand. So grand should come here. L'Inde est un pays de grande diversité. Okay, so now two words we have to just leave it, grand and pays. So what are left out? Indien, lundi, long, quelqu'un. Now we will see. La culture dash est très riche. Okay, la culture is feminine, right? So la culture indienne. See here, feminine is here. La culture indienne est très riche. So what is left out? Hindi, long, quelqu'un. Il y a plus de dash régions. Okay, so il y a plus de, long is plural, right? ES. See here also ES. That means il y a 17 langues régionales. Il y a 17 langues régionales. Dash est la langue plus parlée. So which is the language here? Hindi. L'hindi est une langue la plus parlée. dash grand religion Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism ont leur origine en Inde. Okay, so what is left out? Quelques is quelques grandes régions Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism et Sikhism ont leur origine en Inde. So this is how it works. So number one is what? Number one is, do you do you remember what it is? Number one, l'un des pays de grande diversité. So pays is number one, grande is number two, la culture, indien is number three, il y a 17 langues. So this is 4. Hindi number 5, and last one is quelques. So now I'll show you the answers. You can take it down. Okay, so here's the answers. You can take it down. I'll read it now once, so you can just put the number and you can write it later. L'Inde est un pays de grande diversité. La culture indienne est très riche. Il y a plus de 17 langues régionales. L'hindi est la langue plus parlée. Quelques grandes religions, hindouisme, bouddhisme, jainisme et sikhisme ont leur origine en Inde. So there's the answer. So hope you took the answers. So I'll wait for 10 more seconds and then we'll go to the following exercise. Okay, have you taken your pencil? Yeah, just copy it. Even you can do like this. First write the first letter on P, G, I, L, L apostrophe H and Q, so that you can fill the other words, other letters after the class. To make your process faster, this is an idea from me. You can use it if you like it. Okay, so we are moving to the next topic. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. So this is remettez le dialogue dans le bon ordre. So first I'll read the question and then we will discuss on this. Let us see what is it. J'ai les EPS et toi. So I think this is related to some subject. On a la contrôle aujourd'hui. Contrôle means test. Moi j'ai le SVT. Qui il faut se préparer à ça? Quel cours as-tu après les maths? So before sorting out these things, we can understand the questions based on their verbs used and the object used. So there are 2 questions and 3 statements as an answer. 1, 2. So we have to find 2 pairs of answers. Okay. So one will be the question and one will be the answer. Okay. Right. So I think this will be the first one. Why? Because if someone asks on a la contrôle aujourd'hui. Okay, I think this will be the answer. Why? Because see, 3 statements are there and 2 questions are there. Even if this 2 questions suits 2 statements, 1 statement will be left out. This statement starts with moi, that is pronoun. This one is qui. So these 2 words will not come. On a la contrôle aujourd'hui. So this is number 1. So some of the students are asking on a la contrôle aujourd'hui, and the following answer will be qui. We'll say, we have test today, who is going to keep the test? Which sir is going to come and keep the test? And the same conversation. Qui il faut se préparer à ça? Qui il faut se préparer à ça? Qui? Okay, this will be the second one. Qui il faut se préparer à ça? So the answer is moi, the following answer is moi j'ai le SVT. I think SVT is the subject, so this will be the following thing. So here is moi j'ai le SVT. So number one is on a le contrôle aujourd'hui, qu'il faut se préparer à ça. Moi j'ai le SVT. And here are the answers. The following answer is quel cours as-tu après les maths? Je, le EPS et toi. So two friends from different class, they are talking to each other about the test and other subject which is going on for them or which is being handled by the teachers. So the concept is this: some of them have a test, and one of the boys coming in asking which test do you have today, and who is conducting that. And the following answer is moi je le SVT is the answer. Now this boy is asking the boy B. Boy A is asking boy B, quel cours as-tu après les maths? And he answers as j'ai le EPS et toi. So this is how it is ending. So even though it is question mark, the first three statement is separate and the question mark statement is separate. Why? Because they meet after a while and they discuss on a issue or any event which is happening to them, and they are keep inquiring about each other's status. Okay, so with this we have completed lesson 1. You can ignore exercise number 13 and 14, and now I'll tell you how to do your classwork. Okay, classwork as usual, you know very well that these last year whatever you followed, these lesson number 1, French passage and English passage should be written in a single page, left hand side page. On the right hand side page you can write the exercise. So page number 1, left side should be passage, right side should be vrai ou faux, couchez la bonne réponse, répondez. These three things should come in one page. If you have done in a different page, please don't tear the page, it's okay. You learn from this lesson and you follow this in lesson 2. Okay, so these are the grammar items, les adverbes de quantité. So last 90 pages of your classwork note, you take it and you just use it as a grammar page. Okay, last 90 pages. So you can write this in the grammar portion as you did last year. Even this négation, you can take it as a grammar portion and start writing the exercise in the front portion. That is, after the choose true or false and question answers, you can start writing this exercise one by one. If you have written the exercise in the sequence which I have taken the class, no problem. So whatever the order is, no problem. Just you have to complete all the exercises globally. That's it, important. So exercise number 3, 4, 5, 6 we have done, and you have to write that. 7, 8, 9, 10 is there. 11, we stop with 11. No need of 12. Complétez en utilisant les autocollants. No need. Je mange beaucoup de chocolat. No need. Okay. So 13, no need. 14, you need not write that. So with this we are completing lesson 1, and the one thing you have to do is keep revising lesson 1. So because this is the last class we are seeing lesson 1, from next class we will not see lesson 1. So the online test will be based on today's class. So whatever we saw today, qu'est-ce qu'il y a sur la table, either from this or from this or from this. So okay, there is something, le contrôle étude surveillée. So that is just test, as I said. EPS expansion they are given, education physique et sportive. So EPS, you got the expansion, SVT, Sciences de la vie et de la terre, that is science about the life and the nature and the earth, we can say. So this is for a reference. Okay, so hope this is enough for today. So just do well in your online test. Try to, I think you have 20 minutes of time to do your online test. Read the question 1 or 2 times before approaching the questions. Finally you will get the percentage that you have worked out. Okay, so have a great day, and just keep preparing lesson 1 and be safe. Thank you. Bonne journée.